I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. Today is day 15 of 25 days of holiday crafts. Today I am showing you how I made these little mason jar tree ornaments. So I made this one for $2, but I'm going to show you how to make 3 different kinds. I got these really cute DIY mason jar ornaments from the Dollar Tree. I also picked up these little snow people, and before I purchased it, I made sure that it fit inside the ornament, so definitely do that. Take your hot glue and stick it on down to the cap. Now I am taking some cotton balls and kind of shredding them apart a little bit so the snowman could have some snow to stand on. Make sure you definitely use cotton balls for this because it was very easy to screw the cap on. Add some pretty glitter, screw it on tight, flip it over, and you're done. I got so excited when I saw these mini disco balls at the Dollar Tree. They come with 6 per pack, and I knew they would make a perfect disco snow person. I'm using some hot glue to stick the 3 ornaments together, and that will create our cute little disco snowman. I gave this one some glitter as well, screwed it on, and you're all done. I went into my sticker collection and found the sticker I wanted to use, which is Snoopy, of course. I simply stuck him in, added some glitter, put some stickers on the front, as you can see, and this one is done too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you make an ornament like this, please tag me at MaddCrafty on Instagram or email me at info@maddcrafty.com so I can see what you made. See you next time!